So let's talk about the Games app on the iPhone. So this is a brand new app which has been added in the latest iOS 26. So ensure you run that version before you try to find the application. So in the past, we used to have Game Center dedicated app. Then the app disappeared. We only had Game Center built into games, but now we have a dedicated games app which you can open up. It looks like this. It kind of has like this orange red looking vibe. So you can see that this is what it looks like, and you can see a little splash screen of what's up, that you can see what's new, play and compete with friends, and all of your games in one place. So this app basically lets you just connect the Apple Arcade if you have that subscription, then the Game Center, which we had before, and also just regular games from the App Store. It just puts it all in one place. So when you open up the app, you have like the home section, then your games like those that you have installed on the iPhone are like listed in here, so you can continue playing. Then you have some friend suggestions below, and also at the bottom you have the Apple Arcade, so you can switch to the paid platform, check out what your friends are up to, and then you have the library. So it is basically like a, library of existing games of your device, and even those which you can get from the App Store. So yeah, you can even search for them. So it's like, technically it is a app store for games, but you can also just compete with others. So it's kind of a new topic, right? Or like a new concept of an app. So we'll see if people like it or what's going to happen with it. But this is how it works. Let me know in the comments if you are going to use it or what you think about it. Most definitely subscribe for more. And I'm going to catch you later in the next tutorials and explanations like this one.